Hey everyone, the Shark X11 is one of the best value gaming mice out there, but to unlock its full potential, you need to get into the software. Today, I'm showing you the complete 2026 setup guide, from downloading the right drivers to configuring your macros and RGB. Let's get your mouse dialed in. Step 1. Download the official driver. First, head over to attackshark.com and navigate to the Drivers section. Look specifically for the X11 model. In 2026, make sure you're downloading the Tri-Mode version to support your 3.4G, Bluetooth, and wired connections. Run the installer, and once it's finished, open the app with your mouse plugged in or connected via the 2.4G dongle. Step 2. Key mapping and macros. On the main screen, you'll see the Button tab. Here, you can remap all 5 programmable buttons. To set up a macro, click on the macro editor, record your sequence, like a fast buy in CS or a complex ability in an MMO, and then assign it to one of the side buttons. Don't forget to hit Apply to save these changes to the mouse's onboard memory. Step 3. DPI and sensitivity tuning. Next, jump into the DPI tab. The X11 supports up to 22,000 DPI. You can set up to 6 stages, and I recommend color coding them so you know exactly which sensitivity you're on by looking at the scroll wheel light. Pro tip, for 2026 gaming monitors, 1600 DPI is usually the sweet spot for a balance of speed and precision. Step 4. Polling rate and performance. Under the Parameter or Advanced tab, you'll find the polling rate. For competitive gaming, make sure this is set to 1000 Hz for a 1 millisecond response time. You'll also see a ripple control option. Keep this off for gaming to ensure the most raw, accurate tracking, but turn it on if you're doing jitter-free graphic design work. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.